मॉर्निंग। अभी बजे है 6:30 एंड आज मैं ब्लॉग डालने वाली हूँ अपने डॉग्स के ऊपर। अ डे इन माई लाइफ विद माई 3 डॉग्स। आई हैव 3 डॉग्स एट होम। सो दिस इज़ कालू एंड ही इज़ नोन बाय द नेम कलेशी कालू। बहुत ही नटखट नॉटीएस्ट डॉग है एंड वी जस्ट fostered him and he's been with us for now 2 years. एंड अभी इसका पॉटी का टाइम हुआ है सुबह का, सो आई जस्ट गॉट हिम आउट ऑफ द हाउस। सो हमारे घर के अंदर एक छोटा सा गार्डन है, बट ही डजंट लाइक टू डू सुसु पॉटी ओवर देयर। ही लव्स टू स्टेप आउटसाइड ऑफ द गेट एंड do susu potty. So I've just come out to get him, and 6:30 is his potty time. And I have other 2 dogs, Max, which is a Labrador, and Zozo, which is again an indie dog. She's a female. So I have 2 males and 1 female dog. There are 2 घर है, so I'll share it with my neighbor auntie, and our house is there. So neighbor auntie का plot थोड़ा सा बड़ा है and she loves coming outside for a walk. So it's round 1 of potty susu time for Kalu. ये main road है. Now he's waiting for me to take him to the backside door. Backside door के बाहर एक छोटा सा plot है which is empty and he loves going over there to do his job. So this is the back door of the compound and ये बगल वाला plot empty है. There's nobody staying over there. And the other 2 dogs of mine, Max and Zozo, we haven't made them a practice to come outside and do potty susu. वो लोग घर के गार्डन में ही करते हैं, बैकयार्ड में. उनको बस खुला छोड़ते हैं. So Max and Zozo की बारी सिर्फ संडे होती है जब they step out of the compound and roam around the entire compound for like half an hour. But Kalu is a new addition to the family. We just take him outside the compound to do susu potty and he's happily doing, and वो आ जाता है वापस घर. But Max gets lost in this plot and he doesn't know his way back home. And Zozo, I think she is very cunning dog, as in दिखने में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा भोली सुंदरी लगती है, लेकिन she is very very smart and cunning. So if I get her outside the compound, I don't even have to open this gate जो अभी मैंने गेट कालू के लिए खुला हुआ है. She just jumps outside the compound and she goes around the entire place and she'll come back only after an hour or 2. जब उसका सारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो जाएगा, इधर उधर सब जगह जाके लड़ाई करके आ जाएगी दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ, and then she'll come back home. And that is the reason I don't let her outside the house for a walk. Only Kalu for 10-15 minutes. And after his potty now, it's time for Max and Zozo to come out now. So let's go. अभी Max and Zozo का बाहर आने का टाइम हो गया. And this is how he waits outside because he's unsure whether I will go inside or I'll be outside taking a walk. So he's just waiting to watch my move. What am I going to do next? And we would be getting inside the house right now. तो मैं उसको force नहीं करती हूँ. वो थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है. If I ask him to come inside, he will not come. So I just come inside the house on my own and then he just comes. Look at him. अगर मैं ऐसे ही इसको बोलूँगी आ जाओ चलो चलते हैं घर, कभी नहीं आएगा. वहीं पे बैठे रह जाएगा. And after he comes back, I just go again and close this gate because I don't want Max and Zozo to get out of the house. Kalu, हो जाए. Maxula, हो जाए. Yeah. And Kalu loves disturbing Max. This is where this is where Max and Zozo sleep. Hi, Michi, good morning. Good morning. She's Zozo. He is Max. And he loves disturbing him all the time. उसके पैर जाके पीछे काटता रहता है. Hi, good morning, Michi. And this is our backyard where Zozo and Max sleeps. छोटा सा storage room है and बर्तन मांजने का space है and that's where they sleep. ये लोग यही इसी गार्डन में सुसु पॉटी करेंगे, जो आगे का छोटा सा गार्डन है हमारा. They'll go and do their business and come. And in ये plot के अलावा we have a very small backyard which we have to go by that way. ऐसे ही इतना ही छोटा सा एक backyard है, so they'll go and do their business over there. So right now I'm not getting them inside the house. It's their time to go and do Sisapoti. Magid it back, okay? It's 6:45 now, and I'm gonna meet you at 8 o'clock for your breakfast. Okay, Maxu? उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. He loves being with me. He loves sitting with me and spending his all the time with me. And she is okay. जब उसको मन करता है तब वो आ जाती है. Otherwise, she is happy on her own in her solitude. Zuzu, zuzu. बस चुचुकुनिया बस. चुचुकुनिया. Bye. ये थोड़ा ऐसा ही है. ये कभी घर के बाहर नहीं जाता है. जब घर के बाहर जाते हैं तो फिर ये हमेशा यहाँ बैठ जाता है. And then he watches what we do. Only if I step out and he knows that I'm not going to come back for like 5 minutes taking a walk outside the garden, then he'll come out. Otherwise, he will never come out. That's how Kyle is. And अभी मैं kitchen में आई हुई हूँ. I'm going to make their breakfast ready. It's 7 now and I'm going to feed them at 8 o'clock with some chicken and curd. अभी टाइम बजा है 8:15. ये थोड़ा सा 5 मिनट आगे है. And now it's time for their breakfast. He is happy and excited. खाने के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहता है वे. Hi, Mama Kurucha. Mama. पता नहीं इसको क्या मज़ा आता है उसको काटने में. काड़ू हमेशा कलेश करता रहता है. तो ये अभी इनका ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम है, तो ये 3 प्लेट्स लगाए हैं. And I'm gonna put some curds and then top it up with the chicken after I microwave it for 30 seconds. Mama? Mama? So it's done. Curds बहुत easily digest हो जाता है dogs के लिए. And you're not supposed to give them milk all the time. So मेरे घर में I just give them milk as a Sunday routine, just for a change of palate. Otherwise, I either give them just plain curds or नहीं तो रागी powder को थोड़ा सा पानी में गर्म करके I make it a paste and then add again curds to it and then fill it with chicken. ये अभी इनका ब्रेकफास्ट बनके रेडी हो गया है. This is for Zozo. She eats very little until it is not biryani and biryani rice. She just eats this much. And then this is for Max and this is for Kalu. उसको थोड़ा सा white rice भी पसंद है, so I just sprinkled white rice. हालांकि इन लोग का diet in the afternoon is 1/4 cup of rice and dahi. Rice मैं सब एक ही बार देती हूँ. सुबह के time I just give them either plain curds or the ragi curd. But Kalu likes it with his white rice a little bit, so I just sprinkled some. And now it's time for their breakfast. Kalu? And now it's for Max. हमेशा मैं दोनों साथ में लेके जाती हूँ, just because I'm filming right now, just taking one by one. The places are different for these dogs where they eat. Because he is a fostered dog, as in ये पहले हमारे साथ नहीं रहता था. So when it comes to food, he is very possessive and he doesn't let Max and Zozo roam around him. So I have to keep these two away from him when they are eating breakfast. These two are very friendly dogs, but he is not. He has a lot of trauma from his past experiences, and he is taking time to heal. So we are giving him his space to eat and do things as he likes. That's why a very different kind of treatment for him and very different kind of treatment for these. अच्छा खासा धूप आया है आज 4 दिन बारिश के बाद. And this is the backyard I was talking about in the morning. छोटा सा backyard है ऐसे extension में, and that's the other house at the back. It feels so good to soak in some sun rays after 4 days of continuous rain. And this is my morning look. plain. The shell है ऐसे मैं उठ के सीधा आ गई नीचे. But I just want to keep it as raw as possible because I'm vlogging a day spending with my dogs. How does it look like? And by the time they eat, I have to be besides them. Otherwise, they don't eat. ये आदत मेरे पापा ने लगाया इनको. That when they are eating, he just sits and watches them. And now they don't eat without a person being present next to them. हालांकि अभी पापा खिलाते नहीं हैं. He has handed over that duty to me. And I have to stay over here until they finish. Well, I think he has finished his breakfast. हाँ, finish करता पूरा. बस finish कर. पूरा finish कर. After they finish with this, the curd, I give them second round with biscuits. They love milk and cheese biscuits, so a handful of milk and cheese biscuit and handful of Drools biscuit. So now I have fed with milk and cheese biscuits and Drools biscuits, and this is for Max. पहले मैं उनको बाउल्स में देती थी उनके biscuits. They had a different set of bowls which is over there, but they love to eat it on the floor. इसको ऐसे इधर उधर ठेला के खाते. So I've shifted them, and I read that dog sometimes likes to eat when things are not perfect, like इधर उधर फैला के खाना, and all they love it. So this is just like for them entertainment. Finish करता है. Finish कर. He has a name tag over here. It says Max. And she has a name tag which says Zozo. And Kalu also has a name tag, but उसका name tag chain बहुत ही heavy है for his neck, so we don't put it on him. इसको देखो, इसको बेचारे को कितना भी खिला दो काफी नहीं होता है. But labs are like that. They love eating and sleeping at home all the time. She is 6 years old. He is also 6 years old. I guess Kalu should be around 3.5 or 4 years old. Not sure. I just give them a rub with this because they wait for it. Yeah, and Max loves running around when I comb him. Meeting base. उसका खा के खत्म नहीं हुआ है. हाँ, कालू. Max, ball खेलना हुआ. अभी टाइम हुआ है 10 o'clock, but I'm supposed to play with them for 15-20 minutes. So usually 9:15 to 9:30 मैं इनके साथ खेलती हूँ. I play catch with Max. मिच्ची बॉल की ये ची. This guy doesn't like to play. इसका नाम हमने रखा है कलेशी कालू और ये मैड मैक्स और वो शांत सुंदरी. इस दुनिया में नहीं रहती, हमेशा से आधा टाइम वैसे ही बाहर बैठी रहती है. She'll be chilling in her own world, and it's sunny today outside. And these two are having quite good time fighting with each other, so he doesn't want to play ball today. Michu ball nakwa to kaji. Michu ball kelchna kwaji. Kish to ball kishi. Ball kishi. Nakwa. Ball nakwa. Aji kelchna nakwa. Nakwa ball. और ये बहुत एक नंबर का जल कुकड़ा है. जब भी मैं उसके पास जाती हूँ ये भाग के आके उसको काट देता है. देखो अभी मैं इसको ऐसे पैट कर रही हूँ एंड ही इज बाइटिंग हिम. आधा दिन इन लोग का ऐसे ही जाता है. आधा दिन सोते रहते हैं और बाकी टाइम खाते रहते हैं. So this is their activity now, and I let them play for like half an hour, and after this I'll send them again back to their room for a good 2 hours to sleep. इन्होंने एक्वायर कर लिया है हमारे घर पे from last 6 months, and इसके ऊपर ऐसे हम चादर चढ़ा देते हैं ताकि सोफा गंदा ना हो. And शांत सुंदरी को धूप बहुत पसंद है. So after 4 days of continuous rain, धूप आया हुआ है, so she is sunbathing in her solitude era. Zuzu, kecik tu, wata bashla tati kari, wata tati kertu. She is least bothered. Who's coming, who's going. अभी 10:15 हुआ है. Usually 10 o'clock मैं इनको अंदर करती हूँ. So 10 to 12 they have a good nap after their morning run, walk, breakfast and everything. And now I give them those sticks. ये कुछ नया order किया मैंने Amazon से and they've been liking it. It's fish sticks with turmeric. It has tuna fish and it's apparently not hard as other sticks. It's very soft. जल्दी टूट जाता है and they like it. And one for this. After I send them back to their room, this guy will be here lying on the sofa until they come out, and he's also going to take a good nap. इसको थोड़ा सा trauma है from his past owner. My sister actually found him 3 years back where she was staying. उसके neighbor का dog है ये, and they used to tie him in the hot sun every day from morning 8 o'clock till evening 7 o'clock because घर पे कोई नहीं रहता था and he was all alone by himself. उसका खाना भी बेचारे का पूरा dry होके सूख जाता था धूप में, and they used to never keep him water or anything, and he got a very bad skin disease because of that. And then later when they shifted the house, they wanted to abandon him, but luckily my sister found him at that point in time and he came into her life, and she's been taking care of him ever since then. ये कभी कभी हमारे घर में कुछ दिनों के लिए मेहमान बन के आ जाता है या फिर कुछ महीनों के लिए, जैसे अभी. Now he is our guest at home for like 3-4 months until December because my sister is busy and she's traveling, so she's not been able to take care of him. Otherwise ये मेरी बहन के साथ बैंगलोर में रहता है. She has taken him to the vet and treated his skin disease. After that, he's got very nice fur, as you can see now. But he has lot of trauma, so इसको बाहर जाने में डर लगता है अकेले. Somebody has to be there because he has never been taught or trained to do susu potty or anything. So अभी हम इसके साथ बहुत patiently से काम ले रहे हैं. So when we first found him and when we started taking him to the vet and started his healing journey, he was quite aggressive. उसको बहुत सारे trust issues थे. Other than my sister, he used to never trust anybody और सबको देख के काटने को आ जाता, including me. But his journey has been quite long, of 2 years. My sister has trained him really well, and right now he knows मेरे घर में कौन कौन है, मम्मी, पापा, me, and my sister, her husband, and my other sister, and few of my cousins and relatives who keeps coming to our house. He knows all of them and is being very friendly towards them. खेलता है अभी, but few of the things he still has a lot of trauma about, like खाने को लेके कभी-कभी aggressive हो जाता है. Like you have to just keep his food once. You're not supposed to touch it here and there again, or you cannot relocate the place again for him. He gets angry. बहुत बार बात नहीं सुनता है वो. Like आओ बोलो तो नहीं आता है, जाओ बोलो तो नहीं जाता है. So I can say that he has healed 90% from what he was when we found him 2 years back, but it's been quite a good journey. Now he's a very good dog. बहुत प्यारा है and very lively and very notorious. He keeps snacks on his toes all the time. So now the time is 2 o'clock दोपहर में, and the dogs have been out at like 12:30. एक पूरा सो के उठ गए हैं, and there's neighbor auntie के नीचे go down है, so people keep coming and the vehicles keep stopping by, so they have kind of entertainment बार करने के लिए. and धूप आया हुआ है इसलिए उनका गद्दा सुखाने डाला हुआ है. घर में जितने भी चूहे हैं, लिजर्ड्स है वॉल पे, सब कूद कूद के या फिर ढूंढ ढांड के उनको मार देती है, और बस मारती है, खाती नहीं है उनको. She just finds joy in killing the lizards and the mouse. कभी कभी एक आध बार तो सांप भी आ जाते हैं, like not the venom one, छोटा सा सांप आ जाता है कभी कभार यहाँ पे because there's go down over there. तो चूहे खाने के लिए 2-3 सांप घूमते रहते हैं, वो भी वो पकड़ने के लिए चली जाती है. Zozo. To our thank God kind dogs, they don't kill other animals, whether it is lizard or mouse or cat or anything, but she can't stand other animals. कसं जाय तुका? कसं जाय तुका? I find Max very cute when we talk to him. He just nods his head like we are talking to him and he's able to understand. Maxu? देखो कैसे कर रहा है वो. बोल की इशी Maxu. बोल की इशी. Maxu. और ये देखो इसकी शक्ल. इसकी शक्ल में ये लिखा है कि ये अभी उसको काटने वाला है, और जैसे मैंने बोला ये काट देगा उसको. मैंने कालू का चेन बोला होता पहले, ये है कालू करके नाम लिखा हुआ है, and this chain is quite heavy on his neck, so we only put it on him when we take him out on a leash for a walk, especially when he's in Bangalore, just so that he doesn't get lost. This is their daily task. I think ये लोग इसलिए लड़ाई कर रहे हैं कि ये बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे दीदी के पास बैठना है, and he will also tell them मुझे भी दीदी के पास बैठना है. So they keep fighting all the time, and she is not in this fight, and I don't think she is in this world at all. She is always dreaming. She's always dreaming and in her own world. Look at me. कालू को पूरा मुझसे चिपक के बैठ जाता है, और मैक्स नीचे से वो मेरे पैर के ऊपर बैठ गया वो. This is our daily routine. This is what I do for 15-20 minutes after my lunch. I spend some time with them again, and फिर जब मैं फिर से अपना काम resume करती हूँ, they sleep in my room along with me while I'm working. तो अभी फिलहाल बजे है 2 o'clock. I haven't fed them anything apart from their breakfast and the cheese sticks which I gave them at 10 o'clock. The breakfast was at around 8:15, 8:30, and the next lunch is at 3:30, 4 o'clock. So between 3:45 to 4 is when I feed them again as their lunch. So वो उनका evening and lunch cover कर देता है. And then in the night around 7:30, 8 o'clock, I feed them again either with some rusk or Marie biscuits or dog biscuits. जो भी है, लाइक डोसा है तो डोसा, रोटी है तो रोटी, लाइक मैक्स 2 रोटी खा लेता है, कालू 1 रोटी खा लेता है, एंड जोजो 1 रोटी खा लेती है. सेम विद डोसा, तो मैक्स 2 डोसा खा लेता है. ही ईट्स 1 डोसा एंड शी ईट्स 1 डोसा. एक्चुअली कैन ईट अप टू 5 डोसास, बट हम लोग देते नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ हिज साइज. वी वांट टू कीप हिम हेल्दी, सो 1 डोसा फॉर बोथ द इंडी डॉग एंड 2 डोसा फॉर द लैब. तो यही चलता है हमारा रूटीन डॉग्स को लेके. Then after I feed them at 7:30, 8 o'clock, again I put them out of the house, everyone, ताकि रात में थोड़ा सा ठंड रहता है बाहर एंड इधर उधर घूम भी लेते हैं गार्डन में वो लोग. Up to 9:30, so 8 to 9:30, 1.5 hours they'll be out, and then 9:30 they'll go back again to their rooms to sleep. We don't let them out to guard our house because as it is they're not guarding dogs. इन लोगों को तो खाना दिखाओ तो चले जाते हैं. Like even if somebody feeds poison and gives them in their food, they'll eat it. So we don't let them guard the house and we don't keep them out all the time. they इनको घरेलू कुत्ते जैसे पाले हुए हैं and they sleep at home just like how humans do. Just like हम इंसान करते हैं, सोना खाना पीना सब घर के अंदर ही होता है इनका, except for सुसु potty. So that's our routine, and now it's 2:15, so I'll resume my work now and they'll be sleeping with me in my room. So it's 4 o'clock right now and I'm feeding them with their lunch. So this is for Max. तो मैंने इसमें दही मिलाया है और फिर से 1/4 cup राइस डाला हुआ है and half spoon ghee because the doctor told me to either give him fish oil or ghee or coconut oil, just maybe 1 spoon or 2 spoons for their lubrication of the joints. तो फिर अभी यहाँ पे मैंने बस half चम्मच घी छिड़का हुआ है सबके प्लेट में. This is for Kalu, this is for Zozo. I've done her plating because she is very picky eater. So like in the morning I've added just 3 scoops of curds and chicken and little bit of rice and ghee. तो अभी ये इनका lunch है and they are ready to have their lunch. Kalu. पहले हमेशा मैं इसको देती हूँ वरना ये अगर मैं मैक्स और जोजो को दूंगी तो ये कभी उनको खाने नहीं देगा. He'll start grabbing on their food first, so that's why first for Kalu and then for Max. Come on, Maxie. Mom. And actually आज मैंने घर पे बनाया हुआ चिकन नहीं डाला हुआ है. I've just ordered a parcel from outside. This is called as chicken sukha, which they all really love. It's made of grated coconut, and grated coconut is also good for dogs' health. So I've given them chicken sukha with curds for a change of taste because Monday to Friday ये लोग जो मैं घर पे खाना पकाती हूँ वही ये लोग खाते हैं. तो Saturday is a parcel time and Sunday I just give them milk because every dog loves to drink milk. So Sunday schedule उनका milk होता है, milk and biscuits or milk and bread, whatever they like to eat. And then, since they have finished their lunch, I give them a treat. This is blueberry baked biscuits. Literally, मैं खुद इतना सारा खाना नहीं खाती हूँ जितना मैं इन लोगों को variety of biscuits, cheese sticks and खाना खिलाती हूँ. She loves this baked biscuit. This is blueberry flavored biscuits and everybody loves this. So मैं इनको 2 biscuits दे देती हूँ in the form of treat. इसको भी थोड़ा सा. Okay, bye for now. We'll see you later. Bye for now. So the time now is 6:15 and मैं अपना workout कर रही हूँ and I got these inside the house because जैसे कि मैंने बोला शाम के टाइम में मच्छर बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं and this is my workout time, so I usually work out here at this passage. फिलहाल के लिए मैंने अपना mat बिछाया हुआ है and Max and Kalu always chills out with me when I'm working out. Either they'll be fighting as usual all the time or they'll be sleeping until I finish my workout for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm just going to show you when I'm working out what these guys do. I hope they stick to what I have said. इसके अलावा वो लोग कुछ करते हैं, या तो वो सोते रहते हैं, या तो वो झगड़ा करते रहते हैं, या तो वो मेरे मैट के ऊपर लड़ाई करते हैं. And I have to move out of the mat to work out. So that's our evening routine at 6 o'clock. So I'm just going to film it from this corner, and I hope you can see the entire view. He's happy because अभी round 2 पे जा रहे हैं हम. उसके potty time हो गया है कालू का. So we will be going outside the gate and he's so excited. बचा बाहर चला. Yeah. He's so excited and probably this is the other time he would be excited to come outside the house. And look at him. पहले भाग के जाएगा gate के पास because it's his potty time right now. And he is very excited to explore outside the gate. हालांकि इन दोनों को मैं बाहर नहीं जाने देने वाली हूँ because they get lost like I said in the morning. So it's just me and Kalu who will be going out. Maxu, Chana. No, Maxo. Uta. Max, Uta. Somehow Max listens and we just let Kalu go out. So Kalu is out, Max and Zozo is in. Now I will be going out. Uta. Uta. Ate tawra, मैं get to okay? अभी हम कालू का पॉटी करके आ गए वापस and it's time to play with Max. So Max usually plays for 10 minutes inside the house. And as usual, कालू को उसको तंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And Max loves playing this cricket ball, so he goes and picks up. And ये शांत सुंदरी हमेशा ऐसे ही रहती है. ये बॉल से खेलता नहीं है, लेकिन तब भी इसको बॉल चाहिए. ए, देख रहा है. Max catch. Good boy. वापस आके लेता है ये बॉल, which is easy. एंड ये देखो जानबूझ के ये इसको परेशान करने के लिए यहाँ पे बैठता है मेरे जस्ट फीट के सामने, ताकि मैक्स यहाँ पे आके बॉल ना रखे. एंड वो एकदम डफर है, दूसरी जगह जाके बॉल रखेगा. एक्चुअली 10 मिनट सुबह 10 मिनट शाम को I play ball with him so that he'll get some activity other than walking and running around in the garden, जो कि हमारा गार्डन बहुत छोटा है. And he's quite tall animal and he needs a lot of running for his height and weight. For him to be healthy, तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा भागा दौड़ी करते हैं यहाँ पे 10 मिनट के लिए. That is more than enough, I guess, because he's already 6 years old and उसके बाद he starts limping. उसके joints में थोड़ा सा दर्द होने लगते हैं after 10 minutes. So we just play for 10 minutes. और इसने अपना लोकेशन फिर से चेंज कर लिया. हमेशा सोती रहती है, इसका कुछ एक्टिविटी नहीं होता है. And even if I try to play with her, she doesn't play and tag along. She just प्यार करवाती है, सोती है, खाती है, बस इसका यही टाइम पास होता है. Other than the lizards, snakes, चूहा, जो कोई भी unwanted guest हमारे घर आते हैं, then she's the one who will play hide and seek with them, right? Right, Zozo? All खेल के हो गया. It's 7:15 now, so अभी हम फिर से बैकयार्ड में जाएंगे मैक्स को पानी पिलाने के लिए because he's tired and this is his favorite thing to do other than playing ball and sleeping. Look at him, how he enjoys. ये रनिंग वाटर के नीचे I just allowed him to be there for like 2 to 3 minutes. That's all, not more than that. पानी वेस्ट हो जाएगा वरना इसकी एक्टिविटी के चक्कर में. कैसे पूरा नहा लेता है ऊपर से नीचे. एंड इसको देखो, इसको हर जगह उसको तंग करना है. That's it. Chicka chicka. I'm gonna feed them with the Mari biscuit. कि उनका शाम का स्नैक टाइम हो गया है 7:30 and they have been hungry, so I'll just feed them now with 4 biscuits to Zozo and Kalu and 6 biscuits for Max. इसमें नहीं है, but I have another packet inside, so I'll just feed them with this. I just fed them little bit of save, थोड़ा सा like not even 1/4, like इतना थोड़ा सा save and 4 Mari biscuits which he already finished eating. And Max तो पता नहीं कौन से रफ्तार की ट्रेन पकड़ी हुई है उसने. He has emptied everything. And Zozo also has finished with her. No, sorry, she still is eating Mari biscuit and she loves this save bakery se. So we just give very little as a snack. And since today is Saturday, they can binge eat anything. So it's 7:30 right now. So अभी इनको मैंने evening snacks दे दिया. I will be going to freshen up after workout, and then I'm gonna put them outside the house at 8 o'clock until 9:30. They're gonna be there, and तब तक मैं पूरा घर का साफ सफाई करूँगी the dog से, and then at 9:30 we'll say good night. So it's 9:30 p.m. now, and it's almost our good night time. We're gonna go back to their rooms, and I'm gonna arrange the bed for them again at the night. This is Zozo's bed. They have been sleeping here from past 6 years, and they are used to sleeping in this place. कालू यहाँ पे नहीं सोता है. कालू ऊपर वाले कमरे में मेरे साथ सोता है because my sister has made him a practice to keep him inside because she stays in a Bangalore in an apartment and he stays inside all the time, so he's not used to staying in a room like this. हालांकि मैं सोच रही हूँ इसको ट्रेन करूँ यहाँ पे सुलाने के लिए. फिलहाल they are waiting for their night treats. They're waiting when would I give them biscuits. So I'm gonna give them peanut butter baked biscuits. I know everyone must be thinking कितने सारे flavors है, peanut butter, blueberry and the fish sticks and everything. Well, I love feeding them with different kind of stuff that they like and they enjoy eating because it's just once in a lifetime that they get to eat, so it's fun. And I'm all fresh and ready. नहा धो के मैं एकदम fresh हो गई हूँ after the workout. I had my dinner, so I just finished giving them with their treat, and now it's patting time. I'm just gonna pat Zozo and Max for like 2-3 minutes. उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करती हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा पैटिंग करती हूँ, ऐसे बहुत सारा प्यार करती हूँ, एंड देन हम बाहर जाते हैं कालू को लेके. ये मुझे उसको प्यार करने बिल्कुल भी नहीं देता, हमेशा से जल कुकड़ा है, जल कुकड़ा. गुड नाइट मिर्ची. गुड नाइट मिर्ची. गुड नाइट. मैं इनके साथ 2-3 मिनट यहाँ पे बैठ के उनको थोड़ा सा प्यार करती हूँ, गुड नाइट बोलती हूँ, एंड देन वी गो आउट ऑफ दिस रूम. अभी इनको सुलाने के बाद I will take Kalu out for round 3 before he goes to sleep. We'll take him to do last round of susu and potty, and then he'll go into my room to sleep on his bed. This is Max, so he loves cuddling up all the time on his bed. But ये उसको कभी प्यार ही करने नहीं देता. देखो कैसे कर रहा है. वो एक्चुअली उसका अटेंशन डाइवर्ट कर रहा है ताकि वो मुझसे प्यार ना करवा सके. बहुत ही एक नंबर का शैतान है ये, बहुत ही शैतान है ये, शैतान. गुड नाइट. मैक्स सो चुका है अपने बेड पे. जो थोड़ा सा ताकजा करेगी यहाँ पे, अगर कोई चूहा वूहा है, शी विल बी लाइक एन एंटेना ऑल नाइट. उसके कान देखो एकदम स्ट्रेट है बिकॉज शी इज बीन ट्राइंग टू लिसन टू ऑल द वॉइसेस, कहाँ कहाँ से क्या आवाज आ रही है. एंड देन ये पागल बाहर है. Then we'll lock. And my final round of taking Kalu for one last time for his potty susu business. It's 9:40 right now, and मैं कालू को अभी लेके जा रही हूँ बाहर for a 10-15 minutes walk outside the gate. ये मेरा last routine है for the day when it comes to my dog, and after this we'll go directly to bed, including me. I also sleep at around 10-10:30. So yes, that's about how I spend my time with my dogs at home. आ गया हमारे घर का शहजादा. इसको आओ बोलो तो आएगा नहीं, जाओ बोलो तो जाएगा नहीं. अभी आके सो जाएगा बड़े महाराज की तरह. बहुत अच्छे से सोएगा, खराटे मारेगा पूरी रात. Good night. And that's how my day goes by at my parents' place with the 3 dogs that I have at home. तो कब मेरा दिन शुरू हो जाता है, कब मेरा दिन खत्म होता है, पता ही नहीं चल जाता है. It's not seen as I'm living a very fantastic and amazing life. Daily normal सा life चलता है. So if you love watching daily dog videos, then subscribe to my channel for more such vlogs. And I hope you like this video. It would be great if you like, share, and comment whatever questions you have about the dogs. What do I feed them with? How do I take care of them? What activities I make them do? And anything, whatever you want to know about the dogs, you can let me know in the comments. And until then, see you. Bye. Take care.